We are pleased to show you the 2018 Chevy Camaro. Camaro was developed to be 21st century on every level. From its awe-inspiring design to its outstanding performance, to its impressive efficiency, and it's priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, backup camera, anti-lock braking system, remote engine start, stability control, traction control, keyless entry, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering. Come see the car for yourself.